All of you see next topic, that is logarithms. Okay, see in this when you have the equation a power x is equal to n, from this we are having the equation that is log n base a is equal to x. So here we are having some conditions that n always should be a positive number, a is also a positive number, and a should not be equal to 1. Okay, so you see here we'll say this term as logarithm of n to the base a, to the base a. Okay, now you see here we are having some problems. See, first problem based on this one. If log y base 3 is equal to x and log z base 2 is equal to x, then we need to get the value of 72 power x. Okay, that in terms of y and z we need to find first option, that is y z power 3, and second option is y square z cube, and third option is y cube z square, and fourth option is y cube z cube. Now we are going to get the solution for it. See here, this is question. Now we are going to solve it. See here, anyway given equations we are writing. So first one is log y base 3 is equal to x, and next one is log z base 2 is equal to x. See here, from this we are having that see, whenever we are having this equation we can take this equation. So when you have these all things we can take both sides implies. Okay, so log n base a is there, log n base a is there as x, then we can take this equation. Okay, that means when you remove log, these two numbers will interchanges. In that way we can remember, right? So see here, therefore what you can have here, this can be taken as, see here, these two number will interchanges. In that way you can remember these two numbers we can interchange. Then what you will have, 3 power x is equal to y you have from this, and from this one is 2 power x is equal to z we have. Okay, so anyway we need to get the value of 72 power x. We need to get 72 power x. See here, 72 power x can be written as what? That can be written as 8 into 9 whole power x. So 8 can be taken as 2 cube, and 9 can be taken as 3 square whole power x. From here 2 power x whole cube we can write, and 3 power x whole square you can write. Anyway, what is 2 cube? Sorry, 2 power x is what? Z, and 3 power x is what? Y. So z cube y square we have. Z cube y square, see here, z cube y square is there in second option. So second option is correct one only. So this is a simple problem. And you see here we are having some laws. See first one, log mn base a, that can be taken as log m base a plus log n base a. See proof for this. Anyway, we need to prove this law. This will implies as what? Sorry, see here, we are going to prove it. For that, I am going to take log m base a as some x, next log n base a as some y. So when you have log m base a is equal to x, on removing log, what you will have, these two numbers will interchanges. In that way we can remember that already I said. From this what you have, on interchanging, a power x is equal to m. Next, similarly, a power y is equal to n we have. Now we are going to multiply both equations. A power x into a power y is equal to mn. This becomes as a power x plus y is equal to what? Mn. So taking log also, both the numbers will interchanges. These two will interchanges. In that way we can remember that already I said. So log mn base a is equal to x plus y. Now x is nothing but what? X is nothing but log m base a, and y is nothing but log n base a. So log m base a plus log n base a. So therefore, what we can write? Log mn base a can be taken as log m base a plus log n base a. So this can be taken. Okay. So this will be useful in doing problems. Next, second one you see here. Second one is log m by n base a. That can be taken as log m base a minus log n base a. So we need to prove it. See proof for this. Anyway, to get it, I am going to take log m base a is equal to x, comma, log n base a is equal to y. From these two equations, we are having that what I said, on removing log or on taking log, these two numbers will interchanges. In that way, we need to remember, so that a power x is equal to m you have. Next here, a power y is equal to n we have. From this, we can find m by n in terms of axy. M is nothing but a power x, n is nothing but a power y. Bases are same, powers can be subtracted, so that what we have here, a power x minus y. This will implies as what? So now you see here, this can be taken as m by n. So a power x minus y can be taken as m by n. Now you see here, on removing log, these two numbers will interchanges. See here, x minus y and m by n. Both will interchanges. In that way we can remember. So see here what you can have. Log m by n base a is equal to x minus y. Now what is x? See here, x is there and y also there. X is nothing but log m base a and y is log n base a. Therefore, we can equate these two. Log m by n base a can be taken as what? Log m base a minus log n base a. So this is also a result we need to remember to get our problems. So next one you see here, one more result, that is log m power n base a. That can be taken as n log m base a, n log m base a. Okay, this one we need to prove. You see here, this one we need to prove. So see here, to prove it I am going to take log m base a as some x. It will implies as what? On removing log or on applying log, what I said, these two numbers will interchanges. Okay, in that way we need to remember, that's it. So that a power x is equal to m we have, right? So now you see here, m is equal to a power x. Now taking power n on both sides, m power n is equal to a power x power n. Now this becomes as a power nx, and on this side what we have, m power n, right? So now you see here, a power nx can be taken as m power n. Just I have taken this term left hand side and this one right hand side, that's it. So now applying log, what will happen, these two numbers will interchanges. See here, this one and this one both will interchanges. So that what we have, log m power n base a is equal to nx. N into x is what? X is nothing but log m base a, that already we have. X is nothing but log n base a. So therefore finally this can be equated to this expression. So that log m power n base a becomes as n log m base a. This is also an important result to get the problems. Okay. Log m power n base a can be written as n log m base a. Okay. Now you see here, we are having some more results. Log 1 base a is equal to 0. How we will have this? See here, log 1 base a is equal to 0. How we will have this? That I will discuss. See proof for it. We know that anything power 0 is 1. Now taking log will gives what? Taking log, what I said, these two numbers will interchanges, that already I said. So log 1 base a becomes as what? 0. So this is only proof. So this explanation is enough, I think. See here, next one is log a base a is equal to 1. So how we'll have this? You see here, this is log a base a is equal to 1. So anyway, we know that a power 1 is equal to a, right? Now taking log, so see here, these two numbers will interchanges, 1 and a both will interchanges, so that log a base a is equal to 1 we have. That's it. Okay, so this is enough.